everybody, and welcome back to Crafty Coop. So, when I turned 9, I got a bunch of birthday money, and so when we went to Academy, I bought something really incredible. Check this out. Yeah, I bought, well, that, and that came with the gun. That I bought with another set, and we just had this laying around at home. So it is CO2 powered, and the way to put the CO2 in is, well, pretty simple. You just open this little place right here. There's where the CO2 gets in. And you might see at the bottom, it takes an Allen wrench. Well, you might go searching in your garage for one, but you don't need to because it's right there when you open it. An Allen wrench right there when you open it. Bullets, 10 bullets per round, and when you put it in, you got to get this gear part facing the hammer. That gear part, the bullets have to be facing up. They cannot be facing down. They have to be facing up.
All right, Cooper. So what is this gun?
This is a Umarex Brodax 177 caliber BB gun airsoft.
And it's called the 44 Super Magnum.
Mm-hmm.
So like, what's the handle part made of? It's just plastic.
The handle part is made of
like a polymer.
Yeah, a polymer.
Triggers metal, cylinders metal. What's up here on the top?
Those are called
a Picatinny rail.
A Picatinny rail.
And is that the same one that's on the bottom here?
Yes, it's also a Picatinny rail. The
So
bottom one is for a flashlight or a laser, and then the top one for like a red dot, or if you wanted to add like a scope.
Ooh, very nice. So is there a safety on this gun?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the safety?
Look.
Oh, back there.
That's not on safety, but when you push that little thing forward, it's on safety.
So if this is on safe, will it allow your hammer to get pulled back?
No.
No. So you can't fire it if it's on safe. What about if it's on fire? Yep.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. So 1.77 steel BBs.
Or it could be, it's BB and pellet
You can shoot pellets in it? I don't think you can.
No, you can. I saw a video on it.
Okay, well, you know more about it than I do. I tell you what, let's how about we show them how to load up a magazine?
Sure. Mm-hmm. We take our Crossman Copperhead BBs.
Okay.
And one of our mags.
Okay.
You see how it don't have that little extra circle going around it?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to open our BB thing.
Okay.
And
spill BBs everywhere.
And place it into those little holes and push it down.
Okay. And how many does each mag hold?
10.
10. Okay.
Just like that, I lose a BB.
You lose a lot of BBs, don't you?
Mm-hmm. This is why I don't like this part.
So how much would, so you had like $50 and like the gun was like 30 something dollars.
And then
I think
the case was 20.
Or the case was like 10 or 15 or something like that.
Yeah.
There you go. So that's all 10. So for about $50 minus your CO2, you could have a nice airsoft pistol. Or not airsoft, it's a BB gun. You're supposed to be 16 or older to buy this thing, or 18 and older to buy this thing. So with that, with it being an actual pistol.
And I'm only 9.
Yeah, but with it being an actual pistol, you have to wear your safety gear. That's why you're wearing what? Besides the coonskin cap. Safety glasses, right? Okay, because we got to be safe. All right, so...
And it is not very loud.
No, not very loud. So let's show them... We'll show the camera here how to load a mag into the rifle or into the pistol. So let's make sure we put it back on safe. Okay, so you got to do it before while it's on safe. So show them.
Yeah, it's on safe. You see those tiny bullets? Yeah, the tiny grooves. The grooves go in like.
Show them this. So the grooves on that side.
You see how it's like a gill right there?
That goes towards the hammer?
Yes.
And you push it into place. And then what? Yep, you drop this piece down here and that shoots the pin all the way through so it can rotate with it, right?
Yes.
Do you want to show them how to shoot it?
Sure, let's go ahead.
Let's go over here to the target. Well, you can stand here. You can hit the target from here. So we have about 15 yards away there. Cooper's got a steel target. Make sure that if you're shooting a steel target with a BB, because BBs will bounce and they will bounce a lot, you guys have to make sure that you're at an angle to the plate so the BB bounces away from you. All right, Cooper. So go ahead and show them how to pull the safety off.
It's this like little gill thing back here behind the hammer.
You just pull it back to the fire position. Okay, so now you're hot.
Red means dead.
Red means dead. Absolutely. Okay.
So then you pull your hammer back, and you see that
Keep your finger out of the trigger guard.
And you see that it rotates. It rotated that
cylinder.
Yes.
Okay. So let's take aim at your plate over there. There you go, Mr. Lefty. Get your grip on. There you go. It's 1, 2.
Get off of me, B.
Oh, you're shooting a little low there. There you go. Are you missing?
How do I keep missing?
Hold on. You still got plenty in there.
Oh, I do.
Yeah. Oh, it was...
What? It was jammed?
I think, Cooper...
I'm out of C.
Oh, wait. It wasn't rotating. Okay, so this is a good time. Let's show them
how. It's a little hot, Dad.
That's all right. So we're going to try this again, but we're going to show you guys
how.
What's your foot?
How
to change out the CO2, right? So
you see that
well, right here is a little clip.
So you can put your finger in and
wait, before we do that. It's unloaded and it's on safe. Here's your safe slider, okay?
Wait.
And the pin is forward. Pin's forward up here. Nothing in it. It's empty. We're going to take this, pull it apart.
And then, do we unscrew it first?
Yep, you got to unscrew it. Take the other part of the handle, twist it to the left. Lefty loosey. That's your right. The other way. Other way. There you go. Lefty loosey. Alright. Let's see if that's enough.
Oh. We need to do a couple more
Well,
turns.
one or two more turns. That's right. That's tightening it up. There you go. Lefty loosey. Okay. There's the old one.
And
Pop the new one in. And then we tighten her up, right?
Until you hear a hissing sound.
Well, we don't want too much of the gas escaping. Let's get it in there good and tight. There we go. Once you start to hear the hiss, give it a little turn there till it's nice and tight. All right, Cooper, go ahead and load your mag up. Here you go. All right, take it off of safe.
Safety's off.
And pull your hammer back.
Hammer is back.
All right, you're ready to fire. There you go. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I think you're missing. There you go.
9.
10. So I don't know if they could hear that, but there was a definite ding. So once you hit that steel target, it was bouncing all the way over there and hitting that old camper. So that's what we're saying. You're shooting safety first. You're shooting a steel BB
at an angle, because if you just shoot it over here, it's going to bounce back at you and hit you.
Yep, if you shoot it straight, it's coming right back at you. All right, Cooper, go on the other side. Let's give them a rundown of whether or not it's a good purchase.
So it was definitely a good purchase, but it wasted all of my money, but it was a very good deal.
Wasted? It's not wasted. You got a fantastic looking gun for like $30, man.
Other guns cost about $120.
Yeah, there's a lot more expensive options there. But there you go. So.
Oh, also at Academy, there was one just like this, but for a higher price. I didn't even see a difference beside the prices.
So for like $35, they can get a gun and 3 magazines. And for $50, they can get a gun, 3 magazines, BBs, and a case. So I think that's a pretty good deal to get some younger shooters out there shooting, huh?
And only $50 for just all of that you see on there.
Yep. Okay. Alrighty. Well, what do you want to tell them?
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
There we go.